arrived to our rental studio unit in the Colony by Infinitum. It's right in the city center across Kuala City Mall, very close to Dang Wangi station and also right across the monorail Medan Tuanku. This is a studio apartment. It's a really new apartment, by the way, and it's a very new building. Right at the entrance there's a place like this where you can leave your luggage and shoes, and there is another studio apartment I think there. And then we have a washing machine, which is rare for rental units. Everything is brand new. The kitchen is brand new, although some things are used badly, they just change it. And we have a kettle, we have an oven, a microwave, really new fridge, and we have place and every utensil in the kitchen. There's a dining table with comfortable chairs for 4 people. The bed is here, and then the living room, the sitting area is here. There is also a wardrobe where you can put your clothes, not like a wardrobe, more like a locker, but that's okay. You can also opt to dine in here or work maybe, and you can hang your clothes here. There is a sofa, although small, that's all right. The view is nice, by the way. You can see the Twin Towers right there. There's a TV, there's Wi-Fi, and we have a balcony, which is really rare. Even rare for Kuala Lumpur, I think. And this is the view from our apartment, and see, our balcony is almost dineable. You can dine here, you can have your coffee here, and we have a pool in this apartment. You can just see the Saloma Bridge here, and also here, the Saloma Bridge, Twin Towers right across us. We'll have a really nice night view, and the city center you can see from here. Kuala City Center, Kuala City Mall is right below us, where we can shop or buy things. But I think we're gonna spend this day swimming. And we have a nice coffee table here. Now I will show you the bathroom. Here we have a bathroom with a view. It is very new, by the way, really new. Good morning from our house in Colony Suites by Infinitum. Today we had our breakfast, we woke up late, and now we have our coffee, and we are going to the pool. Now this is a very new building, so some sites are like construction still, but it's, I think, good that it's new. You have to use your card to go to other floors. The pool is on the 35th floor. The elevators are not still ready. They're still fitting the building, but we are staying here. Now the pool is here on this floor. There is also a place that you can hang out right when you come out to the 35th floor if you want to have dinner or sit with your computer. A very beautiful open air terrace with a beautiful view. The weather is very hot, but it is still breezy here because we are on a high floor. At night the view is great as well. I think you can also use this place for a barbecue or for a get-together, like a birthday or a business meeting. You can have your dinner here if you don't want your apartment to smell. And now The pool is on the other side of 35th floor. There are also chairs and small coffee tables here, and they are clean. They look clean. And here is the pool, starting from here with a beautiful KLCC view. You can see the Tun Razak building, the KL Tower, and also there are some beds. Let me put my coffee here so that we can be back. Let me show you the pool. So it's pretty big. The Platinum building is there, KL Tower, and all KLCC. The plants are in good condition. And let's see where the pool. There are also showers here. And I will walk along the pool because it goes on and on when you turn from here. There are changing rooms and bathrooms, by the way, on this floor, and there are stairs to the gym. And the infamous Twin Towers is coming into view now. Wow, it looks beautiful. And the jacuzzis are right here. It's a very beautiful place. Swimming in the pool overlooking the Twin Towers is a beautiful experience here. It's a huge pool, by the way, not crowded at all. Hello from our new home in KL just for 2 days. We spent 2 nights here. This is the Colony Suites by Infinitum. It's just behind Kuil City Mall in Kuala Lumpur. It's very central and it's right in front of the monorail station of Medan Tuanku. You can walk from here to KLCC 1.5 kilometers. You can walk to Kampung Baru or to Chowkit. It's all around 1.5 kilometer perimeter. And we found this place from booking.com and this was a pretty new apartment, so it had a very low price. We just booked it from booking.com, but when we arrived here we wanted to pay with credit card and they did. There is no reception here, unlike some other condos. There's just a security guy waiting downstairs. So when we came to the lobby, we just sat there and texted the guy from WhatsApp. After booking the place in Booking.com, we just received a phone number, and I added that phone number to contact from WhatsApp. And then he came to greet us, and he introduced us to the apartment. They didn't require any deposit, by